Hi there, and welcome to my Singapore-style home cooking channel. Today, I'm sharing one of my family's all-time favorites, crispy deep-fried dumplings. This dish is a must-have at our family gatherings, and I can't wait to show you how to make it at home. This is the list of ingredients. 400 grams minced pork, 200 grams small prawns, peeled. If small prawns aren't available, you can use large prawns instead. Just slice them in half before adding to the mixture. Eight water chestnuts diced. Water chestnut adds crunch. 8 dried mushrooms, soaked and diced. 4 stalks spring onions, chopped. This is the base seasoning mix. Feel free to adjust to your taste. Add a bit more if you prefer it saltier. I like to add fish sauce to my seasoning. 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons Chinese cooking wine, 2 tablespoons sesame oil, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce. This is sole fish, tipo. Gently fry it over low heat until crisp. Then grind it into a fine powder. It is known as fried sole fish powder. It adds a rich umami flavor to your dishes. Interestingly, the older the fish, the deeper and more intense its taste becomes. 3 tablespoons fried sole powder for umami depth. 1 egg. In a large bowl, combine pork, prawns, water chestnuts, mushrooms, and spring onions. Add salt, pepper, light soy sauce, cooking wine, sesame oil, and oyster sauce. Mix thoroughly. Add the egg and stir. The fried sole powder to be added last. This boosts the umami flavor beautifully. Cover and refrigerate the mixture overnight to let the flavors develop. Before wrapping, add 2 tablespoons of corn flour into the filling for smooth texture. This is the correct texture. Lightly dust your plate with flour. It will help keep the dumplings from sticking, while you wrap the rest. Use round wrappers for dumplings and square ones for wontons. They're each made to suit the shape of the dish. Place a spoonful of filling in the center of each dumpling skin, making sure each has at least 1 prawn. Moisten the edges with water and fold to seal. Heat oil in a deep pan. Fry dumplings in batches until golden brown and crispy. best enjoyed fresh and hot. Pair with Japanese mayo for a creamy, tangy finish. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed my video. If my recipes bring joy to your kitchen, I'd be so grateful if you'd subscribe and cook along with me.